What is up, guys? I'm gonna show you now here using cotton buds, and so see, I just bite it there and remove the case, back case. Actually, it's not turning on, and LT02 just in this, flip it to middle, see, and then you just pop up that thing that connected to device into the battery. Wait 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes it's okay, you can pop in, connect it, and you can now get your back case. So I'm again skipping it. So you see, it's now completed. I just gonna turn on it. And you will see it's booting up really quick. And using only this cotton buds is so great, so cheap to fix, and you can also clean your screen. So using on that, you can fix it. And that's all for now. Please like and subscribe.